Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Zennial means? Let's explore. Zennial is a term used to describe people who belong to a microgeneration between Gen Z and Millennials, typically born in the late 1990s to early 2000s. These individuals share characteristics of both generations, having grown up during the transition from an analog to a digital world. Zennials often remember a time before the internet became ubiquitous but are also deeply familiar with the digital culture that defines Gen Z. They might relate to the optimism and work ethic of millennials while also embracing the tech savviness and social awareness of Gen Z. The term Zennial captures the unique experience of those who straddle these two generational identities, often finding themselves relating to both groups but not fully fitting into either. In essence, Zennials are a blend of millennial and Gen Z traits, navigating a world that has rapidly evolved during their formative years. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.